Good morning, friends. I am by myself on the way to the store. Ariel is at school and I am going to get some groceries, so I thought I would bring you guys along. Alright guys, so we are back at the house and I'm just going to run through real quickly everything that I got. I know I didn't go through each aisle picking up what I got and showing you guys that way, but I figure I could just show you when I got home. And so here we are. So we'll just start with the bag right here. I like to get lots of these. These are the halos, so what are they, like mandarin oranges? And also I usually get these. These are the black bean refried beans. I used to get the original vegetarian version, but I get the black beans because it has more fiber. Okay. That is bag number one. And then I just got some liquids. I got some orange juice, some sugar-free French vanilla creamer. I don't know about you guys, but I love my avocados, so I got 4. I usually get like 1 to 2 that are not super ripe, but like just about ripe, and then I usually get 2 that are not ready at all. That way I can eat these ones, and then by the time I'm done eating these ones will be ready to be eaten. That way they don't go bad. That's a little suggestion for you. If you kind of see your veggies or whatever is starting to go bad, get some that are not super ripe. Like I do that with bananas as well. I try to get some that are, you know, just about ready to eat, and then some that are super green. That way when I go through those other couple bananas, those other ones will be ready to eat. And then of course my guacamole salsa. I heard about this and learned about this from Britt Dawn Fit. I will link her down below. Brittany Dawn Fitness, if you're not familiar with her, she's on IG and YouTube. She's awesome. I love her. And then of course I had to get some goldfish for the little one. This is my frozen stuff. This is mostly for Ariel. I don't really eat these as much, but I get the Garden teriyaki chicken strips. And also their mandarin oranges. She really likes these. These are so good. If you're not a meat eater, this brand is really good. They make some really delicious tasting fake meat. This is one of our favorites, is the mandarin orange crispy chicken. And then I got myself some Halo Top because, I don't know, I've just been wanting to get some ice cream for myself, and I told you guys before, I cannot find the ice cream that I usually get by Arctic Freeze. Or Arctic Zero. It's like the best non-dairy protein ice cream I've ever had, and I cannot find it anywhere anymore. So I am trying the mint chip and the peanut butter cup. I don't remember which one I got last time that I didn't like. I don't think it was either of these, so I'm gonna try these and see if I like them. And then I got me some salsa. This is the home style mild. I got the bigger version. I usually get like the little one, but I noticed I've been running out of it a lot faster, so I got the bigger one this time. Oh, and then we just got some almond milk. I usually get the unsweetened original. Okay, on to the meat. I got my usual, this is the chicken tenders. I usually get the Tyson or Foster Farms brand, but I saw this one, Simply Essentials, and I want to give it a try because it says it's hatched, raised, and harvested in the US. They're cage-free, all natural, no added hormones. They have omega-3 fatty acids. So I figured I'd give it a try, and it said air chilled, no water added, which is great because it's just, why add water? Why add saline? Whatever, just why? So So I got 3 of these. You always get the Jenny-O ground turkey, the lean, 93% lean. I just like the way that it cooks up better, this one versus the 97% lean. It's just, I don't know, it's more ground beef-like. And I don't like ground beef, but the texture I like better, if that makes sense. I also saw that they have these, which are new to me. I don't know if they're new to Winco, but they're just kind of like pre-prepped food. It's basically just a 1-pan dish and it's ready in 15 minutes. It does come with everything. So it does have the chicken, it has the sauce, it has the rice, which is really cool. So I'm gonna give it a try. They're $10. Serves, how many does it serve? It serves 3. So I mean, just imagine it's like $3.50, $4 per person. Not bad. So I got 2 of those. And then my last bag here, I got a bunch of these little nuts. They're from the bulk section. I just do a bunch of different nut mixtures, usually unsalted. I'm not a big salt person, and plus the sodium, you know, it just holds onto water and it's not good. So if you can get unsalted, the better. So I just get a bunch of these and I actually pour them into a big Ziploc bag like this. This one looks all dirty because I hadn't, from previously I had nuts in there. So I just like mix them all together, and then when I'm like going to the gym, I'll just put some in a little container. I'll just like scoop them in a container and it'll be like my after gym snack. So those are awesome. And then got some yogurt. Me and Ariel both eat this. It's one of our favorites. And I also got her these little mandarin oranges, little containers. I think they have them at her school too, and they have them at like some restaurants we go to. So she likes these, and it's fruit, so I'm not complaining. But that was it. That is all the groceries that I purchased today. I actually only went in for like 6 items, but as you can see, I got a lot more food than I had planned on getting, but that's okay. It will get eaten, and you can never have too much food. As far as the meats and stuff, you can freeze that. So that's usually what I do. I'll probably do like a meal prep, meal plan video coming up here soon. So hopefully you guys would want to see that. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Oh, don't forget to hit the like button if you like these grocery hauls. Subscribe if you are not subscribed already. If it's red, that means you're not. So go ahead and click on it. Become a part of the FabFitFam right here on this channel. Click the red button. You won't regret it. You won't regret it. And yeah, other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.